Hey, you there. Yeah? Don't you know that running a lawnmower for an hour produces the same amount of emissions as running 11 cars for the same amount of time? What? What? Somebody should make a solar powered one. As a matter of fact, Green Machine has a product just for you.
Whoa, looks fancy. Tell me more.
Green Machine's innovative new addition to their product line, the Sunblade, is entirely solar powered. What?
Cool. Wait, so do I have to leave it outside all the time or what?
The Sunblade's detachable solar panels allow you to leave your lawnmower in your garage while you charge the panels outside in the beautiful sun.
Cool.
What do you say, sport? You want to give it a whirl?